Hello there. This is a brief tutorial on how to use the um, Boson NetSim Lab Designer. So you can go to Designer and do a new topology. And when you do so on the left side here, then you're going to have all of these routers that are available, some switches and some other devices. You can drag each of these things out here. For example, let's grab a 2960 switch. Oh, don't have a 2960. Oh, that's a router. How about a 2960 switch? Perfect. How about a 48 port right here? And we'll call it switch one and create that switch and move it down here a little bit. And I'm going to add a 35, let's get a 3550 switch. We'll put over here and call it switch 2. Okay, right now we don't have any connections between those. That's okay. At least one router, let's use a 2811 router. We'll put it right here. I didn't pick that accidentally. So we're going to call it router 1, and these here in the middle are the slots that are in the back of the router, and you can select what cards would be in there. So I'm going to choose a single serial card in slot 0. In slot 1, how about, oh gosh, we've only got serials here. A second serial. This is not going to work for us, at least not for this demonstration. How about a 2900? We'll try that one. And slot 1, here we are. 2 fast Ethernet in that there. We'll call it router 1 and create. Okay, so a couple of things to note is that not all of the routers here on the left have the same software version on them, which is a nice reality check, because when you get out into the real world and you're working with these things, you're not the likelihood that they have the same software series on them is just not high. They come out and they're expensive, and keeping that software upgraded is very expensive. So a lot of people don't do it once they get the router the way they want it to. Okay, so I've got 3 devices now, but they don't have any connection to each other. So what you need to do is right click on any device and choose add connection, and choose the device, or the uh, interface that you want to put the device in, and then you drag this line over to whatever router or other device, and I'm going to select that one there. And notice I have a solid line here, not the lightning bolt that is indicated by a serial connection. We'll put this one into fast Ethernet 0, 1 and land it into fast Ethernet 0, 1 on router 1. And let's grab a PC and put it on each. I have 1 Ethernet, that's going to be okay. And another PC, and drag it over here. That'll be PC2. No add-ons. We'll create. All right, perfect. And how about a connection here to switch 2? Land that in fast Ethernet 02, and another connection here with fast Ethernet 00 to 02. There we are. Okay, we've got a network built, and I don't have any IP addresses on anything, but I do have some physical connections established and some physical devices established. So if I want to try and start testing with this, you go up here to the middle and you click the play button, or it says start simulator. And when I do that, I can't change anything with the stuff on the left now, but I can use the terminal console. Just a little bit of configuration here. And we'll grab switch 1 and switch 2. And on switch 1, I guess I need to figure out which router I have here. But I'm just really trying to get to where I get a ping to respond. 0, 1 was on 0, 0. So switch 2, switch 1. And switch 2. I ought to see some CDP neighbors now. Okay, there we are. There's router 1. Okay, so if I want to make a change using some of these objects on the left, maybe add a PC or add another switch, you actually have to do a stop on the simulator. Save your configurations. Yeah, sure. New topology 1 will be fine. Okay. And then I can add another PC in or whatever it's going to be. There we are. All right. Thanks for watching.